What's going on, guys? Mike of E-Trading. We're back with another unboxing video. This time we're gonna crack this bad boy open. This is HE Department Store bedding and accessories. Now they're customer returns and fully manifested. For more info on both of those, just look down in the comments below. These are available by the pallet, lot, and truckload, and they're priced at a percentage of the wholesale value. Alright guys, that's what you'd expect to find in a pallet. Now as you can see, you can find a bunch of pillows, blankets, throws, bedspreads, bathroom rugs. There's some towels in there as well. You can have some products that are in packaging and out of packaging. And now we're just going to go through it a little bit just so we can get a better understanding of what we can expect from customer returns. So, you're getting something like this. This was obviously out of package. It was returned. We can only assume out of package, and the store went and just wrapped this up in tape. Now whether it's damaged or not, we can't tell, but this is what we can at least see. Now you've got something here again, just a rubber band around it, so we're just gonna unwrap it. Not sure how much of it you're gonna be able to get on camera, but that's a throw. Doesn't seem to have any issues with it. You know, sometimes they give you reasoning as to why they've been returned. In plastic, out of packaging. There you go. That's a good idea of what you can expect. Front looks nice, beautiful. I could play with this all day. In the back, it is what it is. That's customer returns. Alright, so that's what it is. This gives you a better understanding of what you're going to find in all these pallets. As we said, you've got your bedspreads, your pillows, your bath mats, your towels, comforters, so on and so forth. Now, high-end department store, they're bedding and accessories. You can expect to find brands like Hotel Collection, Calvin Klein, Ralph Lauren, Martha Stewart, and some private label brands as well. Check them out on our website, viatrading.com. They're fully manifested, so they'll be on the load center. Anyway, leave us some comments below, questions below.